tick, 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 the clock won't sleep.
Hello there, welcome back to the channel Let's Talk Watches, and I'm back with another digital watch. As we all know that I'm a big fan of digital watches, and you must be wondering that this should be a Casio digital watch, but no. This time we have a Timex digital watch. The watch we are going to unbox today is Timex 78587, and this is going to be very exciting to see how Timex is justifying their version of Casio A158 or A168. Yes friends, if you would look at the watch for the first time, you would not even think that it's Timex and not Casio. But there are some differences that make this watch very special and very different from Casio A168 or 158. We will cover that shortly, stay tuned. So here is the box I received from the brand, and there is nothing much on the box, and please don't look at this price because this is not what I paid for it. And without any further delay, let's open the box. And the first thing we see is a form sheet to make sure that the watch gets delivered safely without any scratches or damage. And here we have our watch. Looks good, shining. It has a very lovely shining expandable bracelet, so there is no clasp on this bracelet, but when you wear it, it expands and wraps around your wrist. The mechanism is quite new and it's way more practical. Let's see what else we have in the box. Well, nothing but a menu in the name of paperwork, and this menu should cover all the how-tos about the watch. Now, my favorite step in any unboxing, let's remove the plastic. Here we go. My first observation is that the watch is beautiful, definitely different from Casio A158 or A168. It's a lightweight watch. So here is what I feel about this. If you love 1980s retro track aesthetics, but you are on budget and you have likely stumbled upon this, the Timex classic digital model T78587 is no nonsense. This is some nostalgic timepiece that has the vintage vibe and everyday reliability, and of course wallet-friendly simplicity. It has this clean greenish screen. If we talk about the specifications, the size is 34 mm, thickness is 10 mm, lug to lug it's approximately 40 mm. It's a bit smaller than Casio A168. The material used to make this case is resin, so it's again same as Casio watches. They are resin but chrome plated. The glass is also made of resin. The expandable bracelet we see here is made of stainless steel, and it's a 18 mm bracelet. Very easy to find. On the glass we have the brand name printed at the top center. On the right side there are two buttons. The top one is a start stop button and the bottom one is a split reset button. These buttons must be for timer. On the left we have these set and mode buttons. You can use these buttons to toggle through the different modes and to change or set the time, date and alarm. At the bottom center we have water resistant and Indiglo printed, the exclusive feature of Timex watches. Timex never misses a chance to flaunt Indiglo feature, and I say why not. Let's try and flip it to have a look at the back. Here we go. And at the back we have the stainless steel back cover which says water resistant 30 meter. It has the branding at the center. It says stainless steel back and the model number and timex.com at the bottom. Now let's talk about the features and the modes that this watch has. So it has the time mode. Then if I press this mode button, then I have the alarm mode. You can see the alarm blinking. That means here you can set your alarm, change alarm or remove alarm. Then next we have the stopwatch. So these are all the modes that we have on this watch. You can simply go to each mode and press the set button, and then you will have the options to change the time, date, alarm, and you can use the start stop buttons at the right to use the timer, and then you can reset it by pressing the bottom button at the right side. It's time to wear it to see how it sits and looks on my 6.5 inch wrist. Wearing this is super easy and it looks good. size of the dial is small, that's why it sits really well on my wrist. It can easily slip and rest under your sleeve. Let's check out the Indiglo feature of Timex, the exclusive feature on Timex watches. I just switched off the lights in my room. If I press this split reset button, you can see that it has a very beautiful blue light, which is a very nice feature to have to see the time in the dark or in the night. The price I paid for this watch is 3800, which is a very competitive price. If I look at the quality is very good, and it's a daily wear watch, and I think it will last long. So overall, it's a very beautiful watch, very easy to wear due to this bracelet. This is another unique feature that Timex has introduced on this watch, and apart from this, we have the Indiglo feature and all the basic features that a good digital watch has. So you can make a decision, and if you want to buy, the link is in the description. Thank you very much for watching. I request you to please follow and subscribe the channel if you like the content posted on this channel, and I'll see you in next one. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.